Well, I was hoping to use my power smokeless grill today, but that's not going to happen. So, after 15,000 interruptions, and I am taking one out of my man's Smoking and Grilling with AB. I'm taking one out of his cookbook. So we're going to make the Cajun pasta that he has. However, I'm not going to level it up because I don't have the andouille sausage to level it up with. But I have made it with the andouille sausage, and my, oh my, talking about banging, child of mercy. It is delicious. Let me just say, I have made several of his recipes, and none of them, and when I say none of them, I mean none of them have disappointed me. So this sweet smoking Joe is Creole kick. It is delicious on chicken. So that's what I'm going to season my chicken with. You can season yours with any type of seasoning that you want. You can still make this, and you can add the andouille sausage if you want. I'm just going to put a little bit in here and just let this kind of season while I gather the rest of my, let this marinate while I gather the rest of my ingredients. Just want to make sure it's coated well. It has a little bit of a punch to it. I can handle a lot more of it, but Caitlin's boyfriend's here, and he doesn't, ever since he got COVID, he says he can't handle spice. So isn't that amazing how that just touched us in all different ways, shape and form. Alright, just gonna let that sit there while I gather the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna bring you on over to the stove. Ooh, my pan's starting to smoke. It's getting a little hot, like really hot. When you want it to get hot, it doesn't get hot. Then when you're like, okay, well, I'll do a few things just for a minute or two, and then it gets too hot. Let me get a little bit more oil in there. And turn it down to some. I'm just going to put my chicken in there. I did add some onion, this dried onion to my chicken, because I thought I had an onion here, but I don't, so it'll be okay. You know, AB added andouille sausage to his, and I was like, I don't have any andouille sausage. Plus, he added in some tomatoes. Well, Caitlin doesn't like tomatoes. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to add in some spinach. I was hoping I had some frozen spinach, but I don't. But I sure got some canned spinach. I'm going to add in some canned spinach. I'm just going to let the juice cook out of it before I add in my pasta. I love spinach in pasta dishes. Plus, it's a nice, healthy green. And Caitlin likes spinach too. So, there we go. We're at a win-win for this one. So now we're just going to let that juice cook out. Alright, so most of our water has boiled out from the spinach. I just wished a little bit more was. I guess I can be patient enough to let it go, right? Okay, I've had enough. I need 1 cup of cream. And then I need about a cup of pasta water. Just that starchy, about a cup of pasta water, just that starchy water to help thicken it up. Let's give this a toss. Wish I had fresh spinach over the canned spinach, but it will be okay. Let me switch to a spoon. I'm going to add a little bit more Creole kick in here. Just because I'm sure it washed away with all those other additive added ingredients. Ooh, dripping it all over the floor, and it's hot. It's really good. It's very hot. The spinach gives it a good flavor. I would rather have fresh spinach than canned spinach, but it does give it a good flavor. Anyway, there you have it. I hope this video put some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.